back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing another hair review. I'm gonna be reviewing this hair that's on my head right now. Wow, it's not focusing on me. That is really crazy. Okay, great, it is now. It's gonna be talking about this hair on my head right now and the specs of it, the pros, the cons, you know. This hair is from Klaiyi hair. So I'm gonna show you how the packaging came. So it came just like this. Is their synthetic curly wig. It has it right there at the top. Also how it came in. It came in packaged like this. Right? Nice little cute package, I guess. Nice place to store the wig when I'm finished with it. And the shade was in 1B. This hair retails for $34.90, I believe. And you can get this hair off of Amazon. Yes, Amazon. This is Amazon. I got this hair. The hair was actually pretty long. It was really long actually. It was like right to like right here. I wanted it to be more of like an afro kind of look. I did cut it. Cut it actually a lot. Not a little bit, but a lot. Yeah. I wanted it to get more of like, you know, the kind of like afro kind of like style. I didn't want it to be really big and like really long because it just looks weird. So this is how it looks after me cutting it. But it's cute. It's cute or whatever. Nice, giving me nice little nice Diana Ross vibes. I do have a couple cons about this hair. It's not much because again it's synthetic hair. Like I'm not expecting much from this hair, but there are like one or two like red flags. Well, not red flags, but like for me personally, kind of like hiccups about the hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna talk about that and just explain what I mean by that. One of the major cons that I have about this hair is that it doesn't actually fit my head right. Granted, I don't know if the hair company sells larger sizes for this exact wig, but for me, I have a really big head. It's huge, so yeah, unfortunately this hair didn't fit my head right. So when you look at this side of the hair, you can basically see the lace of where to cut, and then you see my hair, my actual hair, my braids, beginning of my braids and stuff. So yeah, it doesn't fit my actual head right, which is not a problem because you got this big little poofy thing that kind of just hides it, but at the same time it's like it's not as secure as I want it to be. So I can literally go like this and grab it out my head, off my head, and then boom, y'all gonna see me look like somebody from a jail cell. The second con about this hair is that I wouldn't recommend plucking it. So there you go again. I don't know if you can see it, but there are little holes right here. This was me trying to customize it and pluck it and trying to make it my own. Unfortunately, this lash is gonna bother the shiznit out of me. Unfortunately, the wig kind of just didn't work well. Like it just, customizing wasn't a thing for this wig. Like you have to, once you get it out the package, you have to style it like it is in the package. There is no customizing, nothing. I tried to tweeze it, I tried to be gentle with it, I tried to do the plucking of synthetic wigs. It just did not work, and you know, this is just the proof of it because there's a hole in the wig. This wig is super cute. It is super cute. I feel like this is such a vibe right now. Like when I first got the wig, I was like, oh, I don't know how I'm gonna do this because this hair is super thick and it's super big and it looked real grandma-ish and looked crazy. I mean, it still look a little wild now, but it's kind of like when I have the makeup on and the hair all nice and my outfit looking cute, it's kind of like, oh, I'm digging it. I'm digging it. It's kind of like, oh, girl, you look like you about to go to Afro punk or something. You know, type of vibe. Like, it's so, like, beautiful. So yeah, I really do like this hair. I will definitely be using this hair again. I know I keep pushing this to the side because of my lash, and the lash is bothering me, but I will definitely wear this hair again. I probably will use it for an editorial shoot or probably for something else, but this definitely is a look. I'm giving it to you. It's a look, regardless of the fact that my head can't properly fit it, and there's a hole here, but that's what editing's for. I can definitely edit that out. So yeah, I really do like this hair. This hair is really cute. It's better than most synthetic hairs that I've actually had of curly hair. Like, I've had curly synthetic hair, but when I tell you the hair looked cheap and it looked disgusting and it looked like I got it from the beauty supply store, it looked like that. This hair does not look like that, and that's one thing I do love about this hair, is that it does not look like it came from the beauty supply store. It does not look like it's synthetic. It doesn't look like that cheap material that you gotta fluff up and do all this stuff. That if you don't want to spend your coins, like coins on some like curly kinky hair, that can range from like $200, $300. You can definitely get this. This was only $32. Yes. Say if you are deciding to buy this hair, there's a couple things that you should not do. One, do not pluck the lace. Do not try to customize it. Once you get it, that's how you get it. You gotta finesse it how you finesse it. Two, I would say, is to, well, depending on what you're going for, if you want something more longer, because again, like I said, this hair is pretty long. Look at that. Hair is pretty long within itself. So if you want something, it depends on the length that you want or what you want. Definitely cut it and style it to your liking. Damn, I can't get this part back in there. Number three, the third thing I would say about this hair is not to comb it out or try to like brush it out. That's what happened here. I tried to brush it out and it didn't turn out as good as I wanted it to be. But this side is so cute. If I could rate this synthetic wig, I probably would rate it like a 9 out of 10. It's cute. It's different. It's stylish. It's very editorial, very like big. It's very in your face. But I like this hair. I would definitely be wearing this hair again. I would definitely be wearing it for another look. I like it. It's super cute. It's super different. It kind of feels like natural hair. It just is dry. This is just dry, but I mean, it's synthetic hair, so what do you really expect? But yeah, for a synthetic wig, it's kind of bomb. It's really bomb. Like, so yeah, that's basically it. This is cute. Definitely buy from them. This is definitely a look, a style, a fit. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell notifications and be part of the Evelyn gang. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.